How to give reviews after completing a job in freelancing. Users' reviews help employers choose the best freelancer for a project. Therefore, while it's not mandatory, it is highly recommended for employers to leave a review for a freelancer they have just completed a project with. In order to accurately reflect your working experience with a freelancer, be honest with your review that you will leave for them. This will probably set the expectation of the employers that your freelancer will work with in the future. Once your project is completed, you'll be taken directly to the leave feedback page. On this page, you will be represented with 5 criteria to rate your freelancer with, from 1 star to 5 stars. A 5-star rating means that the freelancer was exceptional for the category. A comment box is also required for you to leave your review of your freelancer's submitted work and their work ethics. Here are a few tips how to write a review, the client and freelancer alike, that would be useful to the readers. Mention the length of the project. Say if you have worked with the other side once or multiple times. Give a few details about the type of work you did together. Share the aspect of your collaboration that you liked. Don't forget to mention what you did not like about working with the other party.